In this video, we'll talk about how to easily change iOS transition animation with just a single line of code. To save you some time, I've gone ahead and created a single view application project with two view controllers. One is red, another one is blue. We have a button, go to blue, and we'll have a segue with identifier show blue. So when we click on go to blue, it will perform the segue and display the blue view controller. We have a dismiss button in the blue view controller to dismiss that view controller. So if you run the application, click on go to blue, dismiss, go to blue, and dismiss. Now you see that the transition animation is the default transition animation used by iOS, and our goal is to change that transition animation. Alright, so let's stop it. Close the project. We will need to add a library into the project. So let's open up terminal and we'll cd into the project folder, and we'll say port init to create a port file. Alright, now open up this port file and let's add port hero. Right. Save the file and close it, and let's run port install. Alright, now open up the XC workspace file. Let's run the project again to make sure everything still works. Alright, it still works. Now let's go to redViewController.swift. We will overwrite a prepare for segue function, and right here we'll check to see if segue.identifier equals show blue, which is the segue that connects from red to blue. And here the usual stuff, we will get reference to the blue view controller, and then here is the part when we change the transition animation. We're gonna need to write just a single line of code here. So we'll say dash.hero. I forget to import hero, so don't forget that. Hero dot modal animation type equal dot selected by, and here we have the option to set presenting transition animation and dismissing transition animation. Here we choose dot zoom slide to the left and dot zoom slide to the right. And don't forget to go to main.storyboard and select a blue view controller and turn on the is hero enable option. So right here we can also write code if you want to. So you can say dash.hero.enable equal true, but it's not necessary since we just turned on the option in the storyboard. So we'll just need this single line of code right here to change the transition animation. Let's run the project again. you see that the transition animation has changed. We can try using another one. Let's say dot push to the right. And then dot push up to the left. If we run again, we'll see the transition animation has changed to push from left to right and then right back to left when we dismiss the blue view controller. Here is the GitHub page of the library. It's called Hero. If we scroll down a little bit, we'll see that we have 7 different types of transition animation. Let's try fade. Run the project again. And we'll see the transition has changed.